Welcome back. In this video, let's briefly understand what libuv is all about. And we are going to do this by understanding the what, why, and how of libuv. First up, what is libuv? Libuv is a cross-platform open source library written in C language. Why do we need libuv? Well, libuv is what handles asynchronous non-blocking operations in Node.js. It abstracts away all the complexity of dealing with the operating system. And how does it do that? Using two very important features, namely thread pool and event loop. Of course, there's a lot more to libuv than just these two features, but as beginners, thread pool and event loop are more than sufficient to help us form a mental model of how Node handles asynchronous code. And you guessed it, we will be learning about these two features in detail. In the next video, let's start with the thread pool.